Welcome back, you're a first grader now. We're going to learn all about me, your teacher, Mrs. Weingartner. I have been teaching for 3 years. I have taught grades 2nd and 1st. My favorite subject to teach is reading. And a fun fact about me is I have 8 nieces and nephews. Some favorites of mine. My favorite subject is reading. My favorite book is The Day the Crayons Quit. My favorite hobby is dancing. My favorite color is pink. My favorite food is Mexican food. My favorite store is Target or Amazon if that counts. My favorite animal is a dog. My favorite team are the Huskers. And I couldn't pick a favorite movie because my favorite thing to do is to go to the movie theater and watch movies. My favorite season is fall. I live in Omaha. My favorite holiday is Christmas. I've traveled to a lot of places. I've traveled to Mexico, Jamaica, California, Colorado, Arizona, South Dakota, Texas, Kansas, Iowa, Missouri, Louisiana, Florida, South Carolina, Virginia, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Ohio, New York, Massachusetts, and Maine. The favorite part of my summer was going to my parents' cabin in Missouri, getting ready for the baby coming in September, and then playing with my dog Barley. Here are some pictures of my family. The top picture is a picture from my husband Colin and I's wedding day. It's a combination of both of our families. To the right, there's some pictures of our nieces and nephews. And on the left, you'll see those are pictures of our dog Barley. You'll hear lots about Barley this year. Some faces I wanted to introduce you to that you'll see around the school. Here's one, our principal, Mr. Wagner. We appreciate Mr. Wagner because he helps take care of all of our students and our building. Our school counselor is Mrs. Adams. We appreciate her because she helps us learn how to be a better friend. Our cleaning staff, we appreciate Mr. Dave because he helps clean our room and helps us when we make messes. Our librarian, Miss Homolka, we appreciate her because she helps us find books we love, learn how to use our iPads, and she reads to us. Our music teacher, Mrs. Geisler, we appreciate her because she teaches us about music and how to be a better singer. And our gym teacher, Mrs. Rutledge, we appreciate her because she teaches us new games and how to take care of our bodies. Those are some faces that you'll see, and you'll get to know more about me once you come to first grade. Bye!